Sales for Shrenuj Company jumped 45% to about $150 million in its first fiscal quarter, which covered April through June. Profit rose 41% to $4.3 million. By segment, diamond sales dominated results, rising 76%, and jewelry sales rose 7%. The Diamond Trading Company side holder just commissioned a diamond cutting and polishing unit in South Africa, and this facility will support growing demand for polished goods in line with operations out of India and Botswana. Mass retail sales in the U.S. are disappointing shareholders this month. However, not all news is bad. ComScore says online retail sales in the U.S. surged 14% during second quarter to almost $38 billion. The number of consumers who bought online swelled 16%, and now 7 in 10 internet users are making at least one purchase each quarter online. Be sure to tap into that momentum. Mumbai's Jewelry Weekend IIJS concluded. Now our Avi Krawitz gives us those highlights.
Well, Jeff, we know India is a leader in diamond cutting and for its gold consumption, but the country is also making a concerted effort to raise its profile as an important jewelry design center. This was ever so apparent during India's Jewelry Week that preceded the IIJS show in Mumbai. Jewelry Week gave brands and emerging designers the chance to play up their jewelry on the catwalk. Now, the Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council will continue to promote these innovations overseas and is planning to take the show abroad. But once the industry got down to business at the IIJS show, it became increasingly apparent that global demand for diamonds right now is quite mixed.
Visitor traffic this year, it was more. The pre-registrations were 28,000. And we registered about 4,000 more people in these last 4 days. So that brings to 32,000, 33,000 visitors. It's a good number because last year it was about 25,000 visitors. I think the market is growing, and market is growing by 20% every year. And I see no reason why it should not grow in this Diwali season. There is nothing to be panicked as far as India is concerned. We have a huge domestic market, and the economy is growing, market is growing. Of course, today the whole international market is connected. So anything happens in a major country like US, it is always a matter of concern. But it's not a matter of getting threatened or something like that.
It was despite strong foot traffic, though, that diamond traders took a cautious view of the market as financial centers across the globe headed south, almost reminiscent of the crash of 2008. That may add to future anxiety nonetheless, and even though IIJS is a local Indian show, many still left the event disappointed. Diamond dealers reported just average trading for loose stones, but they were encouraged by strong sales of finished jewelry. And that could bode well for the coming Diwali season and bring increased local demand for loose diamonds in a month or two. But we'll have to wait and see. For now, it's back to you, Jeff.
Thank you, Avi. As investor sentiment changed with the wind this past week, gold kept pushing that bar for record territory. Here is a look at how precious metals performed. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net.